It's now time to proceed to a much awaited segment called In Dialogue. This will be hosted by a very well-versed gentleman of our community, namely Mr. Bharat Bhargav. Today, Mr. Bhargav has alongside him a beautiful lady by the name of Mrs. Manjula Kumar. Manjula ji is the president of Global Performing Arts. Let's join them in their conversation.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं भरत भार्गव। इन डायलॉग कार्यक्रम में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत। जैसा कि आपको ज्ञात है, आजकल न केवल संपूर्ण भारत में अपितु संसार के अनेकों देशों में दिवाली के पुण्य पर्व से संबंधित उत्सव किए जा रहे हैं और अतिशय आनंद मनाया जा रहा है। तो उसके लिए आप दर्शकगण को ढेर सारी बधाई और इसके अतिरिक्त आपकी और आपकी समस्त परिवार की सुख एवं समृद्धि के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। निश्चय पूर्वक आप सब ये जानते हैं कि इस अवसर का भगवान श्री रामचंद्र से घनिष्ठ संबंध है। अभी 14 अक्टूबर को जो विजयादशमी थी अथवा दशहरा था, ये वो दिन था जिस दिन श्री राम ने रावण का वध करके दुष्टाई का नाश किया था। और 3 नवंबर को जिस दिवस हम दिवाली मनाएंगे, वो दिवस था जब रामचंद्र जी, सीता जी और लक्ष्मण जी अयोध्या वापस लौटे थे। उस नगरी के सभी नर नारियों ने उनका भूरि भूरि स्वागत किया था और उसी दिन श्री रामचंद्र का राज्याभिषेक भी रचाया गया था। अमावस्या होने के कारण अंधेरी रात थी, तो सभी गार्हस्थों ने अपने अपने निवास स्थानों में अनगिनत दीपक जलाकर अयोध्या को अनोखे रूप से प्रकाशमान, सुशोभित एवं सुसज्जित किया था। सहस्त्र भांति के भोजन पदार्थों का भी आयोजन था और चहुं ओर अत्यंत मंगलमय और उल्लासपूर्वक वातावरण था। तो इस विशेष अवसर पर आज मैं एक विशिष्ट महिला श्रीमती मंजुला कुमार जी का आतिथ्य करने वाला हूं, जो आपको इसी विषय से संबंधित रुचिकर सूचना एवं जानकारी देंगी। तो मंजुला जी, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है इन डायलॉग के इस कार्यक्रम में।
भरत जी, बहुत धन्यवाद आपका। आपने तो दिवाली के अवसर का इतना खूबसूरत चित्र पहले ही बना दिया अब सबके लिए, और आपका नाम रामायण के दौरान सब लोग जप रहे हैं।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जिससे कि हमारे अधिक से अधिक दर्शकगण हमारे वार्तालाप को समझ सकें, चलिए हम लोग इंग्लिश का ही प्रयोग करते हैं। Manjula ji has been the epicenter of cultural activities in Washington area for the long time, so she's well known to our community. However, permit me to tell you a little bit more about her. She is an actor, director, and educator all rolled into one. For the longest time, she has pursued her mission of using the arts as a vehicle for promoting understanding among people of diverse culture, religions, and origin, and for catering to the intergenerational interests. As the president and founding director of Global Performing Arts, Manjula ji has produced amazing dance, drama, music, and poetry masterpieces in a variety of languages. For example, her events have been on the stories related with Mahatma Gandhi, Mirza Ghalib, Heer Ranjha, Rabindranath Tagore, and Dara Shikoh. They have been on subjects related with Sufism and the role of Muslim women in modern society, to name a few. And her productions have involved luminaries like Nasiruddin Shah, Shabana Azmi, Javed Akhtar, Pandit Jasraj, Rashid Khan, and Shubha Mudgal. Manjula ji is the recipient of 2009 Gandhi Fellowship Peace Award. And listen to this one, professionally, work-wise, Manjula ji is a project director at the prestigious Smithsonian Institute. Project director at Smithsonian, Now, how's this fair, Manjula ji? You get to pursue your passions and get paid for it?
Well, I guess I've just been very fortunate. You know, in 1985, we had just moved from London, and I was groping in the dark to find an identity, a US identity. And the Festival of India had just opened at the Smithsonian Institution. And Rajiv Sethi, the curator, I'd worked with him in London, and he asked me, and that was my gateway. It opened doors for me. I loved the Smithsonian. The Smithsonian, as you know, is the world's largest educational institution with museums, research centers.
Absolutely.
But more than anything else, I think I was hired at that time to bring diverse audiences. The Festival of India really opened doors for our community into this institution. And since then, I just found my niche there.
Wonderful.
And I've had the opportunity, I was given an opportunity to do a two-way thing. It was to bring our people into the doors of these museums and also to share the riches of our performing arts, our cultural activities with a mainstream audience.
Great.
And I feel very, very rewarded that it has worked through several programs, some of you that you just mentioned.
Right. And now, so that's Smithsonian, and you're also engaged with or running Global Performing Arts, which is, of course, producing a program. So could you tell me just a little bit about Global Performing Arts, and then we can get into the very special program you're bringing to Washington?
Of course. You see, all the programs that we can do for the Washington audiences are not able to be housed in the Smithsonian. I do all the intellectual, the Sufism, Tagore, Smithsonian was the right place. But sometimes we have to turn around programs within 2 months, or I'm here, can you do a program for me? Or something like what we're bringing, Ramayan, which is an extravaganza.
Right.
It's a very high, financial commitment as well. So whatever Smithsonian was not able to absorb all that I wanted to put on the stage. So then we started this non-profit organization,
That's
Global
wonderful.
Performing Arts. And for the last 17, now going on to 18
my
years,
gosh.
we have been producing plays and music soirees, dance, we did Kathak Ki Kahani. And finally, after a long time of deliberating whether to do this massive, mammoth project, Ramayan, a dance drama.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about Ramayan, the dance drama. When is it, and what does it involve?
It's on Sunday, November 10th, at the Schlesinger Center in Alexandria. Now, you and I, Bharatji, we've grown up reading, listening. My grandmother, Amma, used to read Ramayan as a bedtime story.
Absolutely.
So this is not a new name, it's not an introduction, but most of all, I think the relevance of it, the importance of it. Look at the world we are living in today. Every day there's senseless killings, there are tragedies. So I really, from the bottom of my heart and soul and mind, felt this was something positive. We needed to bring, to share amongst us something, which is goodness. All the values that are in Ramayan, the inherent love of brothers, father, son, husband, wife, had to be shared. It had to be put on the stage.
Right. And not
so
only,
that is just for our generation to share and share memories, but also for our next generation.
Absolutely.
Many of our youngsters, our children, and even grandchildren don't know or don't know enough. And so this is an opportunity that I feel we can be something
really proud
goodness,
of. So
and
let
it's
me ask you
relevant.
this.
And then again with a mainstream audience. So we have like a three-pronged effort over here.
But my another thing is that it's just not like another drama. Apparently the cast of the amount of cast and the kind of production, because it's a dance drama, is just, I understand, it's just spectacular.
Well, we, as I said earlier, we've grown up. We used to watch Ram Leela, and all levels of Ramayan have been performed all over the world. But this particular production by the Sri Ram Bharatiya Kala Kendra, which is based in New Delhi, India, they have done 3,000 performances
Of this one?
of this dance drama in over 60 countries,
Oh, wow.
but never to the United States. So this is for the very first time that this group with 30 dancers, musicians, is coming for what is going to be an absolutely spectacular, with exquisite lighting and dance incorporating folk and classical. There'll be Kathakali, of course, and costumes, colorful costumes. And you know, times have changed. Now in India, they do such amazing technical work. So the technicians here at the Schlesinger Center are having a hard time, you know, wo lanka bhi jalani hai, wo धुआं bhi nikalna hai, but you know, living. So it's going to be something for everybody, for families to come, enjoy and feel rewarded. It's for our soul.
That's so wonderful. I am truly fired up. I think this will be just an amazing occasion. So let me ask you this: if people wanted to get additional information and buy tickets, is there anything you can tell how they can do that?
Absolutely. They can go to our website,
Which
Global
is?
Performing Arts.
globalperformingarts.org.
They can go to Sulekha, they can go to DC Desi, or they can call me.
Okay, what's the number?
And my number is 703-448-9658. And
Can you
it's
say it
going
again?
to 703-448-9658. And this is going to be a spectacular afternoon
Wonderful.
for everybody in the Washington area.
I am really looking forward to it. So, ladies and gentlemen, here's a short clip of the event.
मेरे जीते मेरे पुर में जा न सके तुम राम, लेकिन मैं तुमसे पहले ही चला तुम्हारे धाम, तुम्हारे धाम, तुम्हारे धाम।
इन डायलॉग कार्यक्रम में रुचि लेने के लिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। भरत भार्गव को अब अनुमति दें। दिवाली आप सबको अत्यंत मंगलमय हो।
नमस्कार।